Natural disasters are becoming more common every day. Accidents happen in a flash, so you need to be prepared. Luckily, you brought your survival kit. But sadly, most survival kits are disorganized and stuffed with cheap supplies. Luckily, there's a different way. Introducing Organized Survival First Aid Kits by Surviveware. Heavy-duty zippers, designed to protect your supplies. Removable Molle Compatible system. With premium quality internal supplies. With its organized compartments, this kit does the thinking for you when you need it most. Finally, first aid, survival, and hygiene in an organized and labeled bag. You have the tools to make fire, building camp, staying clean, and staying dry. Plus, various ways to attract attention and get rescued. Water resistant to prevent damage. With its unique design, this kit can be strapped to almost anything. Because this kit is so well organized, it becomes your guide during an emergency. So invest in an organized system for you and your loved one's safety. Surviveware. Our kits do the thinking for you.